Question number 1. Which word is a noun? Options are A. Run, B. Happy, C. Table, D. Quickly. The correct answer is table. Question number 2. Which word is a verb? Options are A. Chair, B. Eat, C. Blue, D. Soft. The correct answer is eat. Question number 3. Which word is an adjective? Options are A. Slowly, B. Tall, C. Speak, D. Read. The correct answer is tall. Question number 4. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. She like apples, B. She likes apples, C. She liking apples, D. She liked liking apples. The correct answer is she likes apples. Question number 5. Which word is an adverb? Options are A. Chair, B. Bright, C. Quickly, D. Clean. The correct answer is quickly. Question number 6. Choose the correct option. There blank a book on the desk. Options are A. B. Were, C. Is, D. Be. The correct answer is. Question number 7. Which sentence uses correct punctuation? Options are A. What time is it? B. What time is it? C. What time is it? D. What time is it? The correct answer is what time is it? Question number 8. Which word is a pronoun? Options are A. Book, B. They, C. Right, D. Big. The correct answer is they. Question number 9. Choose the correct plural form of mouse. Options are A. Mouses, B. Mouse, C. Mice, D. Mices. The correct answer is mice. Question number 10. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Options are A. The dog run fast, B. The dog runs fast, C. The dog running fast, D. The dog run fast. The correct answer is the dog runs fast.